Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I plan to make zobo, and then I plan to marinate the chicken and the fish as against Christmas, that is tomorrow. So I'll marinate it and then I'm going to fry it and do other things by tomorrow so that everything will be fresh by tomorrow. So this is just me showing you the chicken and the fish. The main thing for me is the chicken, and then for the zobo, this is just me showing you the garlic and the ginger. I'm not going to use garlic for zobo, and this is me showing you the pepper. I'm going to go and grind this pepper. They are very hot, like my hands still hot. After blending, not grinding, sorry, after blending, I put a lot of water inside because of what I plan to do. So this is me cutting the onion, and then I'm going to put it inside the pepper blend. So hope you're doing well, guys. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. Please do subscribe to my channel. This is Christmas, okay? Please do share my videos. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and also leave your comments in the comment section, okay? So after cutting the onions, I'm going to put it inside the pepper blend, okay? So next I'm going to add the spices. I'm putting everything inside the pepper blend, like I'm mixing everything, and then I'm putting in the curry and the thyme and everything. Please don't tell me it's too much, I beg. Thank you. So after putting it in, I'm now going to turn it like I'm making soup. Anyways, just watch out and see. When I'm done turning, I just put it in like this to make sure everything enters the chicken and the fish. My main focus though is on the chicken, so I just want everything to enter into the chicken. So you can see why I left some of the pepper blend. I just keep adding them when there's no longer space, and keep pouring the pepper mix and everything on the chicken to make sure everything is inside. Like, I want everything to be really tasty, okay? So I don't know if this is a way of marinating chicken, but I have done it before and the thing came out really well. So that's why I just decided to do it this time. This is not the first time I'm doing it. I've done it before. The chicken was so sweet. So I just keep doing that to make sure everything is okay. And then after, I'm going to put it inside the freezer. Like, normally if I was in a hurry, like if I was doing the making the stew and everything today, I would have left it in the freezer for 1 hour, but I'm not in a hurry, so I just left it in the freezer. By tomorrow I'll come and take it out, make it to defrost, and then I'll fry the chicken. So this is me peeling the garlic with a spoon so that I'll make the zobo. And this is cloves, yeah. I put it in the zobo while it was boiling, and I put in blended ginger. So this is the zobo drink, and I'm going to sieve it with this cloth. I've already done the first sieving where I sieved out the leaf. Now I want to sieve out particles. That's why I'm using this cloth, so that every particle in this will go. So this is the what will I call this thing now? Flavor. Yeah, the flavor I'm adding to the zobo. I always like my zobo to be tasty, not very sugary though, but tasty. So I just added half of the two, and I noticed that they were not tasting as much as I wanted, so I added the remaining. So now I'm just filling it inside bottles and making sure that everything is empty. Let's not pour, because sometimes it just pour. After then, I'm just going to put it in the fridge. We are not much at home, so I don't need to make a whole lot of zobo. So this one is especially for you. You that is watching, just have a sip and drink, okay? Cheers. So guys, this is Christmas Eve, and everywhere is supposed to be joyful, everyone's celebrating, happy, but guys, it did not happen like that today. First of all, I woke up with stomach pain, like serious stomach pain. I don't know if it's warm or something. Like I couldn't even stand up on my bed. I was just there. I had to, what actually helped me stand up was I drank lemon water, and then on waking up I got the news that the mother of one of my friends like passed on. Like how can this kind of thing happen on a day that we're supposed to be happy, on almost Christmas Day? Like I really felt sad, and I don't even know, this my friend is a very very lively person and a very supportive person. I don't know how she's going to be feeling right now, and the whole thing is just getting me thinking. I feel very very bad, and I don't even know what to do, but we can't question God. We are just going to thank God for all we have, and those that are still alive, thank God for your life and all that you have. Even if you don't get your Christmas present this Christmas, at least you're alive, and hopefully you will see the next Christmas. So just thank God for it. I just feel very bad today. I was not even motivated at all, but plus the stomach pain, it's still paining me, but I think I'll have to get a deworming medicine, because I spoke to a doctor friend and he said that maybe it's warm, because I told him I can't remember the last time I dewormed myself. So he said probably it's warm, and I can attest to that because lately I've been taking things that has sugar a lot. So I was not motivated to even film. I just said, because I have promised you guys I'm going to film this video, I'm going to film it till the end. We're almost done. It's not at the last point that we'll now give up. So I just came on here to just film this video for you guys. I pray you have a very wonderful Christmas celebration. I pray for your families, I pray for your friends and those dear to your hearts, that everything will be well with you. Merry Christmas, guys, and I wish you the best, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Merry Christmas.